Hi friends, welcome to day 3 of Mama Elephant's March 2024 release. Today we are introducing Little Agenda Ice Cream and its matching creative cuts. Now let's take a look at all the cute images in this set. This set has the cutest ice cream truck, as well as an ice cream stall, and there are many images to decorate your scene. Everything in this set is just so very sweet, but I think my favorite image must be the cute little puppy. I will be showing you how I color this ice cream cart. This set would look so cute in all kinds of different color combinations. And it would be really fun to combine this Little Agenda set with other Little Agenda sets you might have. I add some accents with a white highlighter pen, and that finishes my coloring. Now it's time to create a background. I separate my panel using some masking tape. I do this because I'm creating two scenes, one at the top and one at the bottom. First, I'm creating a touch of grass on both the upper and lower part of the panel. I use a blending tool and a blending brush and 2 colors of Distress ink. This is Twisted Citron and Mowed Lawn. Next, I added in the cloudy sky using Tumbled gloss distress ink and a cloud stencil. And then it's time for one of my favorite parts of creating backgrounds, which is peeling away the masking tape. It is always so fun to see your scene emerge from beneath the tape. After adding my panel to a standard size card base, we can start creating our scene. And how fun is it to see this scene come together? In the top scene, I'm adding my ice cream stall with a cute little puppy, along with this super cute bunny. The lower part of my card I'm decorating with the ice cream cart, as well as with the ice cream van. And how fun and happy is this scene already? I took a couple of the sentiments I had stamped from the Way to Go stamp set and adhere them with some foam tape. And that finishes my card for today. I absolutely love how this card turned out. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. This release will be available on the 15th of March, and I hope to see you tomorrow for our last day of introductions. Bye!